Okay, so after the last video, it seems that some people weren't happy with just a custom UI running console commands. So here I'm just going to show you a bit of my process and just to show that it is actually new content in the game. So as you can see, I have copied the core of the game directory tree here. Here's my UI, the rock menu as I've called it. I've changed the button up. I've added some distance onto the spawn so you can see it's not actually a console command. It won't just spawn above me. And I'm spawning a table saw, which is the new item that I'm going to be showing. It's not quite feature complete, but it exists, which is enough for right now. And then we go through wrong way. Table saw. So here's the table saw. You can see the materials, the textures. They haven't set all the materials up just yet, and it still obviously needs a bit of tweaking in the code. So here is the table saw. This is a model that I made in Hydroneer with a couple of the guys over there. So big shout out to 9 o'clock Nate and Meef if you guys are watching. And for the code, I've simply set it to on start, hit a timer, and start spinning just to show that it's actually doing something. So I've already cooked that, and you can find all the files here in a copy of the game directory. You can see the new table saw files here, and the UI files here. So then I'll use the asset editor, which is a program that I built for reading Unreal files. And it's got a function called package that pulls all the files together for me and it creates a nice little pack file, which are the file mods for PC Unreal Engine. So there, I can load up my game. And I probably should have loaded this up before starting the video, but there we go. So we'll have a second of loading screen. Apologize for that. Could cut it out, but effort and things. So maybe just, skip ahead 30 seconds or whatever it takes. Skip the login, single player, new game. And in the last video, I couldn't get the mouse cursor to work. I've actually figured out that if you press escape, or any time after you've pressed escape to make the cursor appear, it seems to just fix the issue. Then I've still got it set up on a pebble, so we'll run out, grab a pebble just to trigger the code, get rid of that, toggle the menu, mouse cursor, and then hit the spawn button. As you can see, it drops in, bounces over there, so it's got full physics, and it's using the pebblet pickup code because I haven't set up the data in the data table for it yet. But as you can clearly see, it's not replacing the pebblet. The pebblet is still in the game, and this is a brand new item. I think I need to make that a material instance rather than a material. So obviously that isn't working. But you can see the blade is spinning. I can interact with it. And it's a new item that exists in the world of Grounded. So peace out, y'all.